welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tammy and I'm back with another video. And as you can see per title, we are doing a little revamp, sort of switching up my room. And today's video is proudly sponsored by Penny's Luxury Bedding. So yeah guys, I'm super excited. I don't want to talk too much in this video because do like, comment and subscribe. I know you guys love this kind of videos, and I will be linking Penny's Luxury Beddings in my description below, so you guys can follow them on Instagram. I'll also add their contact details and you guys can contact them to tailor make your luxury beddings and sleeping luxury like your favorite influencer. So yeah guys, without wasting time, let's get into this video. So this part of the video, I'm basically going to be showing you guys what I got in the PR drops. So yeah, before I show you guys obviously how it looks on my bed and in my room. So yeah, the first, okay, so this is how it looks. You guys can see it comes in a black bag like this. Has like their branding, their Instagram, Penny's Luxury Beddings, and then this is just their WhatsApp contact details. So to give you guys a little background on Penny's Luxury Beddings, they tailor make for you your bed sheets. They also cater for silk bonnets. Oh yeah, and these materials are all, they use silk or satin. I'm not so sure about those two, but it's one of the two. They make beddings, they make gowns, sleepwear, bonnets, everything luxurious, honey. So do check out their Instagram page. So without wasting time, let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so in this gift bag, like I said, it comes and it looks like this. Inside the bag is this. Please don't mind the noise, ne? Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys can see, but let me just focus. Okay. So in here you have duvet and inner one thing, right? Yeah, so it's the duvet, the pillows, and then the lining for the mattress, whatever that is called. So yeah guys, this is how it comes, and I personally requested mine to be white with black lining. You can request, they have so many other color options. If you check out their Instagram page, you see the other samples. So yeah, so this is the first one. And then in the second bag, in here we have luxury curtains in the color gray. I am so excited guys, like my place is about to look, okay. And then in the next one, oh, she also makes for you the white curtains that must go behind the gray curtains. So these are also curtains. So yeah guys, I am very excited and I'll be showing you guys how everything looks, or you guys will basically go with me as I put on everything and then I'll show you guys the final product. So yeah guys, I'll see you when we get started. I really like the quality, like they feel so good. And my cousin can attest to that. She's saying the same thing. So, and I love how it just fits perfectly. Like, these are standard pillows, so you don't have to worry about it not fitting on your existing pillows. Like, girl, so there's the standard pillows, they come four. Where's the fourth one? Good child. Oh, yep, they come four, so kudos to them for that. Okay, so disclaimer, these pillows are not from Penny's Luxury Beddings. These are just my extra pillows that I had in the room that I'm also going to use to give the bed some color. And well, technically everything is white, but I just wanted you guys to know that these ones, I got them as a gift and I don't know where they are from. So now we're putting on the duvet, and I got this duvet back home. It was 270 something, 279. Yep. This is the part I don't like. Children, where's the opening? Huh? Oh. Not be tearing like oh. That's it, my face. That's not good. As a child, I cried because I didn't want to put this in.
Anyway.